How to make crispy Korean chicken popcorn. Ingredient: 100 gram of chicken breast, 20 gram of vegetable platter, 200 gram of rice, 50 gram of flour, a pinch of pepper, a pinch of salt, 4 cloves of garlic, 4 cloves of shallots, enough hot cooking oil, a pinch of sugar. Tools: knife, pan, spatula, stove, bowl, plastic container, lid, spoon, mortar, pestle, and oil strainer. Tips: how to make fried chicken. First, cut the chicken into small cubes. Second, wash the chicken and then marinate with salt and pepper for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, coat the chicken with flour. Then, heat the oil in a pan. Once it is hot, fry the flour-coated chicken until it turns golden brown. If the chicken was golden brown, drain the chicken, then set it aside. How to make rice. First, pour the rice into a pot, then wash the rice under running water twice. Second, pour enough water into the pot containing the rice, then cook it in the rice cooker. How to make sambal. Place the chili, shallots, salt, pepper, sugar, hot oil, and a garlic on a mortar, then grind them until smooth. Wash the cucumber and lettuce thoroughly, then cut the cucumber into pieces. Place the rice, fried chicken, lettuce, cucumber, and chili sauce neatly on a plate before serving. Last, chicken popcorn with spicy sambal is ready to be served.